Today we're getting started on this 1984 Firebird that has been sitting in my shop far too long, and I need to make up some time on it. So while we're waiting on some parts to come in for the Le Mans next door, in the next bay over, we're going to get going on this. Now, this is a car that I painted roughly 13 to 14 years ago. There's some stuff wrong with it that I don't like, that as a technician today, I would not ever let it fly. So we turned this car around, and I'll insert pictures in here, from what it was to this in a week. And Matt had just finished up some stuff, and we did the paint job late at night, painted it, turned around, and drove it straight home after baking it. So there's that. We're going to go through and make sure that this thing's done right. But in the meantime, let's show you around the car. Starting on the inside, now this is a 1984 Firebird, like I said. Matt has gone through, done an awesome job on the interior. He had it up at his place for about 2 years, maybe 3 years, I think. Just finished out brand new interior. These are 4th gen seats, I believe, and a 4th gen console. Yeah, that's 4th gen console. That is not like a 3rd gen that I had, so that's definitely a 4th gen. And let's take you up front. Wow, LS swap. Full power everything, AC, because mama's got to have AC. Now the cool thing, this thing is roughly 300 something horsepower as a daily driver for mom, and that's just downright cool. I don't care who you are. But we're going through and we're going to be addressing some stuff on it. We're going to trim this hood up nice and flush. We're going to do these awesome bumpers. How long has it been since you've seen some of those yellow ones, right? That really takes you back. We're going to get rid of all these spiderweb cracking and all that are notorious for the 3rd gen. And if you have ever worked on late 80s, early 90s cars, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, for the bumpers, just in particular, we're going to be hooking up with Polyvance. Polyvance is not too terribly far from me, and they're going to be helping us out on that. So we're going to have a bunch of footage coming up on those, showing the repair process and going through that. I want to say I am not the tech today that I was back then, thankfully. So what we let fly back then is not something that would fly today. You can see a couple little dings and waves and stuff in the body. We're going to go through and take care of those. But as you can see, you know, we've got some stuff on it we need to fix. But this is why you don't tape stuff up. Check this out. Yeah, you see that? This is why you don't tape it up. Taping stuff up just to get it done quicker is not the right way, and it always is going to come back. So I'm really surprised that some of it held on as long as it did. So this is a cool thing to be able to do, because now I've got the time and I've got the skills to do what needs to be done on this car. So we're really going to be turning this thing around. So the cool thing here is that we are going to be roughly, what is this? This is the end of September. So October 1st, we're taking the handles and all off of it tomorrow, and we're going to start getting sanding on everything. But October 1st, that basically means we're going to be trying to get this car done in 2 months. That basically means we're going to be trying to get this car done in 2 months.